I'm about to get soaked on river rapids, aren't I? Wild Disney ducks and Asia. Time to go on the wash cycle. It's like you could miss the entrance to that. It's not obvious. I am about to switch over to my waterproof camera for this, so if there is no footage, because my waterproof camera isn't that great, so if you don't see me till after, I apologise, but hopefully you'll get to see it now.
That was the best seat and nobody sat in it. That was the driest one. Towels and flip-flops on the way out from the River Rapids. Probably a smart idea because your clothes will be soaked, you'll be soaked, and your shoes will most likely be soaked. Clever marketing plan, Disney. Clever marketing plan. Not sure if I mentioned this already, but that's the entrance there, that like green building, and they are the storage lockers, so from the front of it, they're just to the left. They're free for like 2 hours, so we didn't wait long, but if you do have a 2-hour wait, they are free for 2 hours, which I guess they lengthen if the ride wait is longer than 2 hours, but I don't think I've ever seen it longer than 2 hours. Okay, got slightly wet on the River Rapids. That did record, hopefully you just got to see it. We're now in the Maharaja Jungle Trek, trying to look for animals, and I think I'm just showing you a pond with absolutely nothing. Oh no, there's a lizard over here, on the rock. See if I can zoom in on him. And here we see a wild lizard. I don't know what it is, so I'll just call it a lizard. On to the next animal. I think we're about to see some bats. This way to view a close-up of bats. Those not wishing to see bats, go this way. Oh, we can't go in. The lady just outside, I think it's behind these plants. She just said they're not out today because of medical problems. Oh, that sucks. Bats are cool. Right, so before I get to the next animal, let's just say that Kali River Rapids is really fun. It's kind of short. There's only one real drop, but it's really cool. There's a lot of people here. This is the ruins. Does that mean there's a tiger? So apparently the morning is the best time to see these tigers. He's having a bath. I think he's about to go underneath us and we're going to lose him. The tiger is climbing the stairs. He's going to appear. There he is. I think he's about to go hide in the shade. He'll be 8 next month. Happy birthday, tiger. There's a running baby tiger. He's rubbing against the tree like a cat. Like a domesticated cat. Actually rubbing his head through the bushes. We come back over here, this one has come right by the window. See if I can catch him quick. Wow. He's rubbing against it too.
Oh, here he is, Ellen. Look.
Just as like a safety thing, don't put your kids on the wall like that. Don't know what animal's in here, but that looks scary as hell. Some type of deer, antelope. Let's try and zoom in for you guys. Now let's get to focus. There you go. Probably should know what type of animal that is, but I don't, so yeah. Sorry guys. And girls. Okay, the guy behind me said antelope, so I'm going with antelope. I don't know. The trek continues into the red pavilion, which looks like it's birds on the sign, so let's have a look in here. We've got windows to the tigers again. There it is. There's a beautiful chair glowing in the window sunlight. Don't tell her I said that. There's the tiger. That's the little one that was rubbing on these trees with the other side. We were in that window earlier. But now to head into here, and I think it's birds. By the sound of that's coming from in here. You can get this cool bird to the Royal Forest. And we'll show you all the different birds. Please feel free to pause this if you want to look at them. I don't know if it will focus well enough. Something in this bush right next to me and it's just shaking. Little birds, little black ones. Metallic starlings, top left. There's two sides to this. This is the second side. Pheasants. There's a couple here. I think I'm making a nest because they keep picking up sticks. This one on the floor. Gonna make his nest. And you return your bird spotting guys at the end and walk through the chain sort of curtain so the birds don't escape. What animal's next? And I think that's the end. So that was pretty cool. We saw some tigers, a big lizard, a lot of different birds. Shame the bats weren't there. But now we're going to head out this way. And our next fast pass, which is due in about 12 minutes, is the Kilimanjaro Safari. So we're about to go see some more animals. I love the safari, so hopefully I'll try and film some of that. I did the other day, so you probably saw something the other day. If I see anything different, I'll add it in, or if there's anything awesome that happens, like the zebras last time was really cool, I'll add that in now. There's a little island of monkeys in Asia. I'm trying to see if I can zoom. I don't know if this is too dark. I can't really see the camera screen because of the sun on it, but out there, oh, there's a little baby one. Oh, they're running around the top. Maybe if I zoom out, it'd be better. I can't tell what I'm focused on. I cannot see the screen, so I apologise if this is terrible. Right, and there's another island just in the background over there. But now we are going to the safaris. Kilimanjaro Safaris. Well, we're about to go in that fast pass line. The fast pass line is the one out the door. Out the building. Not that one, the standby one. Standby is 85 minutes. The fast pass one goes way down here. Oh my goodness.
So as we say here in Harambe, Tawende, which means let's go. Alrighty, well, Jumbo everybody. My name is Nicole and I will be your safari driver out there today through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. The greater kudu. Now these are all females because they do not have horns while the males will. Hippos can hold their breath underwater for about 5 to 8 minutes. Fishes. notice them flapping their ears? That's one thing they do to help regulate their body temperature. Lions are inactive for about 16 to 20 hours out of the day. And those females are in charge of the hunting. I'm going to get you a better view, don't worry. Now also to your right hand side are the ostrich. Those are Grant zebras, they ever didn't mention that. There are two types, Grant and Grevy zebras. Oh, they're fast. They are fast. All right. Goodbye. We like to say Kwaherini, which means to go well. So Kwaherini, my friends.